Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades, and we took a little bit of a nap just now, so we just woke up and it's around midnight right now, but decided guys to give you guys an update regardless because I did do it earlier. But right now we can see that the Bitcoin price is at a $41,887 on Binance. That's saying on Binance. Obviously you can go to different exchanges, you might get the different prices. Bybit 41,865, and then in Bitstamp you can see the 41,922. But overall, Bitcoin is in this pattern right here. Obviously we can adjust it, a bunch of times. Crypto has adjusted it a bunch of times as well, but for the time being, if we play it like this, we're still in this pattern, and if we keep bouncing in and out of it, obviously if we do come down, we could come as low as 38,560, and if we do start to break it, then we could maybe start to come down at the previous low at 32,900 or 33,000 exactly. But again, just taking a look at this resistance box right here on the BTC TA2 chart, we can see that we are trying to break out of it on the 1 hour time frame. On the 8 hour, on the 4 hour, it looks like we closed a little bit above it, but we're starting to come down. So we could come down as low as 40,000 in this green resistance box. Potentially try to hold this as support right here, which would bring us around 39,894. The market cipher, we could take a look at it right here on the daily time frame. Again, we were looking quite bullish, but it's starting to slow down a little bit on a daily. You can take a look at the 2 hours, starting to slow down a little bit more. DBSI looking a little bit more bearish, so as you can see, the bears are starting to gain some strength, and the momentum waves look a little bit extended, so we might start to roll over soon a little bit. So we are in a short at the moment, and in profit, I believe I can go check around 8 or 9, maybe 10% profit at the moment. So doing quite well, but we're gonna have to see how this plays out. We have our stop loss set in place, and if we do take our profits, we're gonna probably try to look at 39,000 or 38,000. So let's see how this week's gonna close off. This week looks like it's gonna close off quite bullish, so we might close off in the green money flow, which is really good for the bullish scenario that we talked about yesterday. So again, if we close up on top and we start to curl back up, then that's going to be amazing for Bitcoin. We're going to see a new all-time high, probably reach around 74 or 76,000, I believe is what Daniel said, before we start to reverse trend. And then if we do break down and we follow my scenario, then we might get a Bitcoin bottom around April, let's take a look here, April 11th. So I'm betting on 4 week decline in the price, 50%, but that's a lot of speculation. And not much happening today at Bitcoin. We reached 42,500, and then we got rejected from there. So if we start to break down, like I said, take a look at 38,600, and take a look at the TA1 chart and the TA2 chart as well. And for Ethereum, it's going to follow the same thing as Bitcoin. It's trying to hold support right now at 2890, looking at 3150 as the next resistance, but the RSI looks a little bit overbought for our 4 hour time frame, so we might get a little bit of a rejection from here, maybe come back down to 2600. So just pay attention for that, guys. Anyways, gonna go back to bed now probably. You guys have been awesome. We're at 8,595 subscribers, almost, well, basically 1,400 away from 10k. Once we get to 10k, we're gonna do that giveaway. If you haven't already, you guys can join the Discord. You get access to the Google Sheet, my investment strategy, and all of these charts right here that I've laid out for you. All right, good night, guys. Peace. And if you haven't already, you guys can sign up for Big Get Trading. Links in the description. Peace.